What's the meaning of bird table? Bird table. Bird table.
Bird table. Bird table. A bird table is a man-made structure used to feed and attract wild birds to a garden or outdoor area. It typically consists of a raised platform on a pole or stand, with a roof or cover to protect the food from rain. Bird tables can be made from a variety of materials, such as wood, metal, or plastic, and are often decorated or painted to add aesthetic value to a garden. Bird tables provide an easy and convenient way for people to observe and enjoy the beauty of wild birds, while also providing important nourishment for their survival, especially during periods of food scarcity.